Bringing back tax and spending law promises major cuts to Medicaid, many phased in over the course of the next several years. Avery Davis is live in studio now with how Democrats and healthcare providers worry about the impacts of these cuts.
Hey Steve, one doctor at UVA Health tells me many of his patients who come in for routine checkups and preventative care would not be there without Medicaid. He tells me overcrowded emergency rooms and deaths from preventable diseases are imminent.
Medicare and Medicaid were engraved in stone when I was growing up professionally. And to see Medicaid get cut at this stage of my career, it's saddening, it's infuriating.
Dr. Andy Wolf has 30 years of medical experience under his belt.
I've taken care of literally thousands of Medicaid patients through my career.
Now he wonders, of those thousands who have come through the door at UVA Health, how many will soon lose Medicaid coverage?
It will impact the systems in Charlottesville. It is a rural problem and it's an urban problem.
State Senator Cree Deeds, a Democrat, also worries for the hospital systems in his district, especially UVA Health.
The devastation will not just be to rural hospitals, which are already operating on very thin margins, but the hospitals that serve more suburban and urban populations.
Deeds says under the Big Beautiful Bill Act, VCU and UVA Health will lose more than $250 million in Medicaid reimbursements over the next 14 years.
What we're going to see is fewer patients coming in for care because they can't afford care. We're going to see an increase in emergency room visits. We're going to see an increase in hospitalizations for preventable conditions.
Deeds says the outlook is grim for providers and patients.
We can fix this over the long haul, but I'm afraid that people are going to struggle. Some people are even going to die.
Deeds believes health care is a right, one he plans to fight for.
Just because we've lost this battle does not mean we lose the war.
I asked Deeds about the potential for a special session for the General Assembly to address how it will make up on the state level for these federal cuts. He's not optimistic one will happen. Live in the studio, Avery Davis, 29 News at 5.